Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I share with you another brand new airdrop opportunity, and the name of the project is Action Model. And this project is very similar to Grass or Nodepay, which means you need to run their node to earn points. As of now, they have 29k followers and they are trying to build a strong community. So what is Action Model and what do they offer? Their tagline says, "Own the future of AI." In simple words, Action Model is a platform where you train AI just by using a browser extension. They share lots of information clearly on their website. So if you want, you can visit their website for more information. So like Grass Network, Action Model also runs with multiple epochs. So the benefit of joining early is, for example, if you join in epoch 1, then you earn 2x points. Then if you join epoch 2, then it reduces to 1.9x. Same if you join in epoch 3, then it reduces to 1.8x. And it will continue reducing in each epoch. So you need to join early to get benefited. So for the rewards, you will get LAM tokens, and the best part is they share 33% with the community, which is good. Before joining, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, then please subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future airdrops. Also, most importantly, you need to join our Telegram channel where I share almost all crypto airdrop updates. All links are in the description, so check them out. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram post link in the video description where you will find this page link. After landing here, you need to click on next a few times. After that, you will see this registration form. So here you need to sign up using Google. So I'll continue with Google. After that, it asks you to choose a username. So choose your username and then click on submit. Then again click on submit and done. Now here you see all the task lists which you need to complete to get points. So go to the dashboard section. Then first you need to download their extension. For that, click here, get the extension. Then it will redirect you to the Google Web Store. This is the extension you need to download, and already 70k users have downloaded this. So download and install the extension. After that, open the extension. Then you need to tap on the power button to start it. Then here choose this train in background option. And then it will start and automatically earn points in the background. For downloading the extension, you will receive 10k points instantly. So here scroll down a bit, and here as you can see right now, epoch 2 is running with a 1.9x multiplier. Then there's epoch 3, epoch 4, epoch 5 and more coming. So next, go to the referral section and here scroll a bit, and here you have your referral link which you can share with your friends. For that you get 5k points and 5% affiliate rewards for sharing link. Then go to the quest section, and here you will find lots of quests which you need to complete to get points. For example, here is the daily claim task. Click here on claim. Then they ask to connect your X accounts. So authorize it and done. Similarly, you need to complete all the tasks which are really easy to complete. So the main thing is to keep running your extension in the background to earn points. And that's all for this video. Please like and share this video, and if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.